Bitcoin just hit a new all-time high. But here's what nobody's telling you. A massive wave of stablecoin liquidity is building up on exchanges, and it's not staying in Bitcoin. The altcoin floodgate is about to burst. USDT is at a record $46 billion. USDC just sent over $1 billion into exchanges. That's not idle money. That's smart money, waiting to pounce. Meanwhile, the rainbow chart says we're not in bubble territory yet. The market is primed, and the shift to altcoins could be brutal for anyone caught off guard. Today, we connect the dots. Bitcoin season is ending. Alt season is loading. And if you want to truly profit from what comes next, DeFi is the edge you need. Let's break it all down. On May 21st, Bitcoin blasted to a new all-time high, $110,000, with a staggering $2.1 trillion market cap and a realized cap of $911 billion. We're not talking speculation anymore. We're in price discovery. According to the rainbow chart, we're still in the hodl zone, comfortably below the red bands of FOMO and bubble territory. That means there's still upside potential. But here's the catch. While Bitcoin is pumping, the Altcoin season index just hit 20. Translation? It's still Bitcoin season. Altcoins are lagging. Historically, this divergence doesn't last long. When Bitcoin tops, profits rotate. And there's already a flood forming. Bitcoin exchange inflows are down 82% since November. Meanwhile, USDT reserves on exchanges have surged to $46 billion, the highest ever. That's not random. That's dry powder. And it gets better or worse, depending on your positioning. Martin confirmed that over $1 billion in USDC was injected into exchanges. That's way above the $700 million inflow threshold that typically precedes major price moves. If you're wondering where this capital is headed, keep watching. Altcoins aren't just about hype anymore. Look at Aerodrome. In the last 24 hours, it became the #1 Bitcoin pool in all of DeFi. Even Uniswap on Arbitrum and Ethereum mainnet couldn't compete with Base's CBBTC USDC pool. This isn't a random victory. It's a signal. Capital is shifting toward DeFi protocols with real utility. And if you're not exploring how to earn yields on Bitcoin or stablecoins in ecosystems like Base, you're leaving money on the table. Ted Pillows dropped a critical chart. The Altcoins Bitcoin chart is forming a bullish divergence. The RSI is pushing up, while price hits a historic bottom zone, just like the last two altcoin rallies. He says altcoins outperformance is imminent, and it aligns with what we're seeing on the macro level. Bitcoin dominance peaking, stablecoins ready, DeFi protocols heating up. This is the moment whales start positioning. Don't be the liquidity exit. DeFi Llama's revenue ranking is eye-opening. Tether and Circle top the list, yes, stablecoin kings. But look who's rising. Axiom, a trading app. Hyperliquid, a decentralized exchange. Pump.fun and Phantom, Solana-based launchpad and wallet. These aren't hype projects. These are protocols with daily fees, real users, and sticky capital. And guess what? Most of these are integrated into DeFi strategies. Want in? My ebook teaches exactly how to earn passive income through staking, farming, and smart airdrop hunting. $4.99. Same price as a coffee, but could return way more. Link in the top pinned comment. Go check it out. Senator Cynthia Lummis shared eye-popping data from the Nakamoto Project. 4 in 5 Americans want to convert U.S. gold reserves into Bitcoin. That's no longer just speculation, it's political momentum. This kind of sentiment shift can light a fire under institutional adoption. Combine that with liquidity inflows and DeFi incentives, and you've got rocket fuel. This is the kind of narrative altcoins thrive in. TechDev shared what he calls the most important chart in crypto. According to his macro liquidity model, Bitcoin is still in the red band, the zone right before each historical bull explosion. Previous green tops marked the market highs. We're not there yet. If history rhymes, we're just getting started. And when that breakout accelerates, altcoins follow with even bigger volatility. To recap, Bitcoin is leading. Stablecoin liquidity is building. DeFi is rising. And altcoins are loading up for their move. Ignore the noise. Watch the flow. Don't chase pumps. Position ahead of rotations. And if you want to level up, learn how to earn passive income, navigate risk, and capture alpha. Check the top pinned comment and grab my DeFi ebook. This isn't a time to be passive. This is where wealth transfers happen. Destroy the like button, comment, and subscribe if you found value. And if you want more alpha, check my video explaining how smart money is reading Chainlink versus PETH. Link in your screen. See you there.